Hello. Hi, this is Paula again with Epitome Tax, and I am coming today to speak to my small business owners. I know you've heard a lot about the stimulus package that have come out, but I want you to know that there is something for you as a small business owner in this package as well. So I just want to talk a little bit about some of the key points that I want to make sure that you don't miss. Unemployment. So usually most self-employed persons and individuals aren't eligible for your state unemployment resources, but keep in mind that this time there are provisions for you if you are self-employed, contract worker, work Uber driver, Lyft driver, that you can get in touch with your state agency and you have the eligibility now to get some resources up to 13 weeks. So be sure and do that. Now, the big one, of course, is that there's $350 billion that are allocated for the Small Business Loan Program. Now, this loan program will be facilitated through the SBA, the Small Business Administration, and they're going to work with your banks to make sure that if you have been negatively impacted due to local, county, or city social distancing ordinances that have shut you down or that have restricted your productivity, that you're able to take advantage of the loan program. Now, it is meant for small business employers. That would be employers who have less than 500 employees. And it wants the purpose is to incentivize you, is to continue to pay for your staff and to take care of your workers and to keep them on board even through these challenging times. And so loans will be available up to $10 million for you, and it'll be based on your payroll. Specifically, your payroll through January 1st through the end of February, and it'll be based on a factor of that payroll. And you will be eligible for a loan forgiveness if you use those funds for specific reasons, to continue your payroll, to pay your rent, to pay your utilities. Now, the interest rate on the loans will be about 4%. And so if you use the funds for those specific specified reasons, again, keeping your payroll going, paying for your rent and paying for your utilities and some others, then you will have eligibility for the loan forgiveness program. And you'll just be responsible for the 4% interest rate on that. So the banks are expediting those origination processes. And so you want to get on board and get ready for that. Now, how do you get ready? Of course, there's some documents that are going to be required. You want to have your business tax returns up to date. They're going to ask for a profit and loss statement and a statement of your liabilities, which should be shown on your balance sheet. So you want to get your affairs in order so that you're ready for that program. There's also a few other things to keep in mind. There will be a payroll tax credit that'll be available to you when you do your tax return for 2020. And so there'll be, you'll be able to get a refundable credit on the payroll wages that you continue to pay. But do keep in mind, it's one or the other. So if you take advantage of the loan program, you won't be eligible for the payroll tax credit and vice versa. But just know that both of them are available. So if you don't, for any reason, qualify for the loan, you'll be able to take advantage of the payroll tax credit when you do your 2020 tax return. And there'll also be some benefits around loosened net operating loss reductions. So keep in mind, you'll be able to offset more when you do your 2020 return. The one thing to keep in mind that you can take advantage of now as an employer that is paying wages is you're able to defer your payment for your payroll taxes. And so you're able to free up some cash flow. Now, the debt doesn't go away. You still do have to pay the payroll taxes, but you're able to defer them to 2021. And so hopefully that helps you free up some cash flow now and to continue to pay wages for your employees. So just a couple tips. I wanted to make sure that you knew there were some great things that were out there to help you stay afloat during these very difficult times. If you need any assistance, of course, in getting your documents ready for that SBA loan, there'll be a link here in the post. Book a strategy session with me. I'll help you get on track. And if you have any other questions, feel free to put those out in the comments. And of course, be sure to share the video to other business owners that you think may benefit. In the meantime, stay safe and we'll be in touch. Thanks so much. Enjoy your weekend.